Check out this Tesla 2013 Model S Performance. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: parking sensors, tech package, performance Napa leather Alcantara heated 12-way PWR seats, sound studio package, 20 kW onboard chargers, panoramic sunroof, oak wood gloss decor accents, carbon fiber spoiler and 21 inches turbine silver alloy wheels. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.